What's up everybody? Today I'm going to introduce you this headphone. This is a gaming headphone. It's a headset. It's this brand. I forgot because I disposed the packaging, but apparently this headphone is very nice. First of all, I'll let you know that this is the mic. It captured nicely. I mean, it's not that loud. It's soft sometimes, but actually if you listen to it properly, it's the noise, the background noise is actually not loud, so it's basically just recording your voice. Okay, if you look at here, you can see, you can pull it down to close it, you can open it, but it's very limited. All right, it's very limited. It's not like this one. This one you have like more length to shorten, but for this one it's very short right here. But it's good. It doesn't if your head is not like monster head, you can use this. It's just for human head. Okay, no worries guys. And also if you look at here, you can see this USB. I don't use this USB, but I'm not sure what's the function. I believe the USB is for, like, you don't use these two cables, instead you just use the USB to plug in and just listen. Okay, but if you're not using the USB like I do right now, I'm using this and this. It's very good. First of all, this is for the mic, this for the hearing right here. Now you have to plug in to your laptop. All right guys, this is only for laptop with 2 jacks. Now laptop has 2 jacks, which is for headphone and also for mic, so you can use this is compatible. All right, this is for the volume. You can slide down, slide up. Like for this headphone from Pioneer DJ, it doesn't have any volume controller, but for this one it's very good. You can control, but normally I put it all up all the way because it's very soft. We have to hear it louder. When you play game, this is good. The bass isn't as good as this one. This one captures nice low frequency, but this one is almost for mid frequency and also for high frequency. The low frequency is very less, okay, not for the sub bass, all that. And this one is very cheap. I buy this at MR.DIY, and this is for gaming. So if you want to listen to through your phone, you can use this only. Use this and then you just listen. But if you want to call someone from WhatsApp or something, I don't think you can call because you cannot talk, because there's only 1 jack in the phone, which is the for this one. You don't have for the mic one. So for you, if you want to call someone, it's not recommended to use this headphone. Okay, you have to buy with only 1 jack, which is like this headphone with only 1 jack, but this one apparently doesn't have any mic, so you have to use something with the mic but with only 1 jack, which is including the headphone and the hearing. I hope to see you guys in the next one. I'll link the game headset link in the description. You can buy it on Shopee, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Let me know if you have any question. I would like to answer them all. See you guys in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.